Haka jingyalang jong ki kunhun menteri ka balalong haka santarik unaiwing ka sorkar kala shim ya karai ban penhiar no ya ka value added tax lane ka VAT na ka petrol ba diesel santengka shilitar kane kanlong nadu ka shitang senya menta ka miet ya kane layathu do sembut menteri rangba ka jella uba prestun tensong Hadin baka sorkar pedang kala penhiare ka central excise duty ya ka petrol ba diesel ha barok ka wei kari na kaliang ka sorkar jela menta ka sngi kala shim ya karai ban penhiare ka dor jong ka petrol ba diesel nadu menta ka miet ka banlong nadu ka nriu tarik shitang senya Uloong ban nakaliang ka sorkar kaladap ban penduna ya ka khajna jong ka value added tax ya ka R4% ya ka petrol barkhat R% ya ka diesel ban menta ka singi ka sorkar kala shim ya ka rai ban penhiar na ka R4% sya ka khatlai 0.1% shilitar ya ka petrol ban na ka khat R% sya ka 1% shilitar ya ka diesel kador ka baka sorkar kala penhiar kanlong santengka poin arpesan paisa ya ka petrol bat diesel ha ka jela hi borok away hadu menta ka dor jong ka petrol ha Guwahati kalong khandai phosau tengka poin san phopra paisa shilitar bar ha jela Meghalaya hadin ka jing penhiare ka khajna ha berni hat kanlong khandai pho ar tengka poin lai phopra paisa shilitar bar haslong kanlong khandai pho lai tengka poin khandai pho wei paisa shilitar Habai day baka diesel ha Guwahati ka dor kalong pra phuwei tengka poin arpu khandai paisa shilitar ha Meghalaya bernihat kanlong nyau phu nyau tengka poin sau phuwei paisa shilitar berhaslong kanlong pra phu tengka poin san phunyau paisa shilitar uba prastun layathu ru daka ba penhiar dor ka petrol ba diesel ha ka jella ka sorkar kandu nong hadu kumba shispa klur tengka ha kisan benai.
Then the second agenda, which is very, very important, is relating to the price of petrol and diesel. As you are all aware that Government of India has reduced the excise duty of petrol and diesel product in the whole country. So the state government also in line with the advice from the Government of India has taken a decision that further reduction on price of petrol and price of diesel has to be implemented immediately from the midnight of tonight. Means early 6th, today's 5th, right? Early 6th from 12:001, new rate will be in place from tonight. Okay. The tax reduction, as you are all aware, till today, the government of Meghalaya has reduced the tax to 20% on 20% on petrol and 12% on diesel. So today we have reduced the taxed percentage from 20% on petrol to 13.5%, from 20% to 13.5% per liter of petrol, and also from 12% on diesel, it has been reduced to 5% per liter. From 12% to 5% per liter on diesel and 20% to 13.5% on petrol. On reduction of petrol and diesel, it will roughly comes to about 100 crores rupees for 5 months. From November, December, January, February up to 31st March of 2022, we will incur loss of rupees 100 crores, more or less. Get confused.